let's dive right into making those video ads engaging and memorable. The first tip is to grab attention quickly. Start with something eye-catching, maybe an interesting visual or hook that makes people want to watch more. Next up, know your audience inside out. Understanding who they are helps you tailor the message in a way that resonates deeply with them. Then, keep it short and sweet. People have short attention spans these days, so aim for something under 2 minutes if possible. Now, let's talk about storytelling. Weave a narrative into your ad to make it more relatable and compelling. Show how your product or service fits seamlessly into their lives, solving problems or enhancing experiences. Another key point is using visuals effectively. High-quality images, videos, and graphics can really elevate the ad, making sure every frame counts. Don't forget about sound too. A well-chosen soundtrack can evoke emotions and enhance the overall impact. Also, include subtitles if you have dialogue-heavy content, so it's accessible to everyone. Finally, don't neglect calls to action. End your video with a clear next step for viewers to take, whether that's visiting your website or signing up for something. Remember, these tips are just the beginning. Experiment and see what works best for your brand and audience. Keep testing and refining until you hit that sweet spot of engagement.